Newton Investment Management Pricing explained what you get for your money. Newton Investment Management is a UK-based platform offering a mix of active and passive investment portfolios. Most people think professionally managed portfolios are expensive, but Newton provides transparent, tiered pricing that adapts to your investment level. The platform charges an annual management fee of 0.35% for accounts up to 50, with reduced rates for larger portfolios. In addition, there are fund level fees averaging 0.20%, covering its or mutual funds used in the portfolio. Unlike many competitors, there are no setup fees or hidden charges for deposits and withdrawals. Newton also provides tax-efficient accounts like ISAs and SIPPs. Users benefit from automatic portfolio rebalancing, diversified allocations, and access to professional market research, all included in the management fee. For example, investing 100 could cost around $550 annually, which covers both management and fund expenses, a fraction of traditional advisory costs. The surprising truth is that Newton blends professional-level portfolio management with low, transparent fees, making it accessible for both new and experienced investors. You're not just paying for trading, you're paying for ongoing portfolio optimization and guidance. In conclusion, Newton Investment Management Pricing is predictable, fair, and built to maximize investor value. Understanding the management and fund fees allows users to plan their investments confidently and enjoy professional portfolio management without excessive costs.